guys, what's going on? Good morning. Welcome to the channel. Ignore my voice. I actually sound I feel okay, but I just sound like garbage. My sinuses are all blocked up. So today we are obviously de-chroming the Jeep, because once I put this color wheel, the bronze wheels, the chrome really just sticks out all that much more. Actually, I want to show you, which I did in another video really quick. I wrapped this entire grille, which was chrome, gloss black. So actually you can see I cut it a little short here. I can put another piece, which I will be doing very soon. But as a first try, it really isn't too bad, considering the cost is like $11 for the wrap. So that's perfect. So I'm gonna be doing the same color. It's like a metallic gloss black. So it looks painted. So I'm gonna do that on the trim. Doing like a matte color is probably not what I wanna do here, just because it's gonna stick out and it's gonna look like the Laredo, which I'd rather not make it look like a lower end model if possible. And I will be getting to this, which I might do like a satin to match that. But I won't do that now because I don't want to stand outside. So really all you have to do is pop off the trim. It's pretty easy, although I did break one of the clips, and what I will be doing is just using sticky double-sided tape for the one that I broke off. So I'm going to show you really quick. I have honestly a flathead screwdriver and a microfiber, and as you can see, it just has little clips in there. You just have to pry it gently. So I'm gonna just do this side for today and bring it inside, and hopefully it goes well, and then I'll grab the other side later today. Put double-sided tape. So I'm having an issue trying to not break every single one of these. Obviously these two were fine, and then whoops, those two are fine, and these two are fine, and then I have the one in the middle that snapped off there. So that'll just be double-sided tape. I'll be able to just sort of double it up and stick it right on you. To be honest with you, this is sort of something that is sort of like an easy project to sort of cheat on, I guess. Like if you break a clip, just put double-sided tape. And I know it sounds really like immature or whatever you want to call it, but that's the process. And obviously I'm going to be cleaning. I don't even know if this is what the heck this is, by the way. I don't know. Oh, it's this from the inside here. It's this stuff. So I guess I can just remove that, no big deal. Clean this up and then start wrapping it. That already looks better, even with the holes. Man, I wish there were, if there were no holes or like indentation, like if it was just a little, just this one little cutout, I mean, that would be perfect. But everybody likes the chrome. I don't know why, or at least the car companies think it's necessary. And then I'm glad this is only one strip instead of going all the way up. So, all-purpose cleaner. Let's bring these inside. So let me guys show you the color I'm talking about here. Hopefully you can tell. So this is the gloss black metallic. Obviously it has sort of metallic, and it actually looks way more metallic-y like in the light on camera than it is in real life. But this is as close to sort of the color of my Jeep and like paint, as opposed to doing like matte. It's clearly wrapped and it looks pretty much like this. So this will be for the window trim, and as you can see here, I'll put the gloss next to it. It's, you know, a huge difference just in reflection and depth and all that stuff. So this will blend in. I want it to blend in more with the paint, where the window trim just honestly needs to blend in with the other window trim or the windows. So and most window trim is not glossy unless it's like the shadow line like on my M3 or whatever. But yeah, so I think that's gonna be perfect. Gonna do two different ones. Let's bring this over here. I am fully done with this rear piece here. And as you can see, it looks pretty darn good for a noob. All right, so I'll show you the back really quick. So all I did was I just cut with the razor blade, just like, so I could fold it over here. And then even having like these wrinkles is fine because it folds completely inside. So when it's on the car, like it's gonna be fully like in there. But if I did take it off, I would have to end it, you know, right there. So that's gonna make it much nicer. These corners, the tight corners, are pretty difficult. Hopefully the camera focuses here. All right, so hopefully you can see that there's a tiny little dirt thing was able to get out, and then just a tad right there. It kept stretching funny, and hopefully when I do the other ones, this one I can actually press this out probably. But yeah, so other than that, this side is pretty darn good, as you can see. So that side is pretty much perfect, and that's it. So let me show you. I'll show you it on the Jeep once I finish them all, but you get the idea. I wanted sort of the glossy look, so it still looks like it's from the factory and not like painted. And I think that, like, especially for the level of detail the Jeep has, I think it's gonna be perfect. Like I said, this is the black metallic, black gloss metallic, I think is the full name. It's just from Amazon. It's like $10 or $11.